Morning dear students, welcome back in a class of engineering chemistry. I am Asha Pawar working as an assistant professor at SNJP's Let's KBJ College of Engineering, Sandwad, Nasik. Student, in last session we learn calomel electrode, that is the most commonly used secondary reference electrode. In today's session we learn indicator electrode, that is glass electrode. Glass electrode is the indicator electrode used along with the calomel electrode generally for the determination of the pH, that is the H plus ion concentration of the solution. So what is exactly the construction, representation, diagram of the glass electrode? Its advantages we study one by one. Glass electrode consists of a very thin walled glass bulb made up of from the low melting glass having high electrical conductivity. See here the diagram, that is glass electrode is made up of from the very thin glass having very high electrical conductivity, and there is a bulb, glass bulb at the bottom of the glass tube. So the bulb contain always 1 molar or 0.1 molar HCl solution, and silver wire coated with silver chloride always be dipped directly in that 0.1 molar HCl solution at the lower end of the glass bulb. The lower end of the silver wire dip into the HCl, forming silver chloride electrode. When the glass electrode is placed in a solution, the potential develop across the glass membrane as a result of concentration difference of the H plus ion on the two sides of the membrane, that is the HCl concentration, and in that solution glass electrode place that solution also containing H plus concentration, that is there is a two different H plus ion, and the concentration difference is always and always measured by the glass electrode, because there is a develop some potential on the glass at the glass membrane. The potential of the glass electrode is determined using standard calomel electrode. See here, means already we learn the calomel electrode. If calomel electrode coupled with glass electrode, there is a complete electrochemical cell, and the potential of the glass electrode we determine by using the reference electrode, that is the calomel electrode. See, that is in the diagram. One more time I can explain. That is, there is a very thin glass membrane of the glass electrode, it is a tube, and at the bottom there is a glass bulb. The glass bulb is filled with 0.1 molar HCl solution, and the silver wire coated with silver chloride can be directly inserted in the 0.1 molar HCl solution. Then this act as a silver chloride electrode, that is a internal electrode. Then glass bulb, at the glass bulb there is a develop a potential due to the difference in H plus ion concentration at the glass bulb inside and outside H plus ion concentration. Glass electrode is most commonly used indicator electrode. It is advantageous because it can be used in oxidizing and reducing solution. It attain equilibrium easily. It indicate the only H plus ion concentration from the solution if mixture of ion can be there. If we use the glass electrode, it only indicate the H plus ion concentration. So these are the advantages of the glass electrode. Means glass electrode and calomel electrode are the important, their diagram, representation, construction. One more thing about the calomel electrode, that is calomel electrode cannot be used above 50 degrees Celsius because the mercurous chloride present in calomel electrode, that is start to decompose. And one more disadvantage is that is handling of the calomel electrode is difficult because it containing poisonous mercury and mercurous chloride. So next to that, that is third type of electrode in your syllabus, that is ion selective electrodes. An ion selective electrode is an also indicator electrode which produces a potential when it is placed in a solution containing certain or a particular ions. That is, it can indicate only the particular ion. When we place that electrode, ion selective electrode, in that solution, potential is developed due to the presence of certain or particular ions. So there are different types of ion selective electrodes are there, that is a glass membrane electrode, solid state membrane electrode, liquid membrane electrode, enzyme based membrane electrode, and gas sensing electrode. So we learn one by one. The glass membrane electrode is nothing but the glass electrode. Already we learn about that electrode. So solid state membrane electrode is generally, that is a membrane of that solid state electrode is made up of from some solid material, and generally depending upon which ion can be indicated by using that electrode, it can be used or it can be prepared according to that particular ion. Suppose we want to determine the fluoride ions, then the indicator used for the fluoride ion determination, it having some particular membrane. So fluoride ion selective electrode. The fluoride ion selective electrode is always and always used to indicate the fluoride ion, and the membrane of that electrode is made up of from the lanthanum fluoride crystal, that is the solid material. Other solid state electrode work based on the presence of primary absorbed ion. That is, if lanthanum fluoride is used in the fluoride ion selective electrode, then during the measurement of concentration of fluoride ion, this lanthanum fluoride get ionized into lanthanum fluoride plus F minus. That is, for the measurement or for the detection of particular ion along with solid state or along with any ion selective electrode, one more electrode is coupled, that is the reference electrode, and here the silver chloride electrode is used as a reference electrode. So the membrane of the fluoride ion selective electrode is made up of from the lanthanum fluoride, that is the crystals.